Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for May. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see here is the Devil card. You have the Ace of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. Your person has the Two of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Bottom of the deck, I see the Three of Swords. So there was some kind of a heartbreak here, Sagittarius, that I see. Either you or your person was heartbroken because of maybe a third party situation, or it could also be because things just didn't work out or things are really bad right now. Okay, now what I see for you here is you have the Devil card. With the Devil card, it means that you are currently surrounded by some negative energy that could be in the form of sex, drug, alcohol, anything. Okay, however, you want to move out of that energy and you want to move to this Ace of Pentacles. With the Ace of Pentacles, you want to go ahead and build a stable, steady relationship with this person. But in order to go ahead and do that, you understand you'll have to come out of this negative energy. And currently, it looks like you are stuck. Okay, you are not yet out of that energy. You're somewhere stuck. You want to come out of it. You want to build a relationship with this person and you want to have a very stable relationship. But currently, it looks like that you are somewhere stuck. You're not able to move. Now what I see for your person is they have the Two of Wands. With the Two of Wands, it could mean that they have two options. It could be in the form of two people, two job offers, two proposals, anything wherein they have an option B and they are trying to juggle and understand which one is best for them. So should they go left or should they go right is what they are trying to decide. Now there's definitely some kind of truth that needs to be spoken about, because this person will at one time rush in, okay, and tell you something. Okay, with the Knight of Swords energy, they will rush in and tell you the truth that this is what is exactly happening at their end, and post that they will give you some time and they will not do anything, because at that time they will go ahead and be in the Knight of Pentacles energy, wherein they will walk so slow or they will not take any action that you will feel that this person is just not interested in you. Now what I see as the mutual feeling between the two of you is the Eight of Swords card. With the Eight of Swords, it means there's a lot of guilt that I see both of you are going through, because that's a mutual feeling both of you have. What's the blockage in the relationship is the Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles means sharing with two people. Okay, so either this person is sharing with two people and that's the reason why all this chaos has happened, or it could be you and that's the negative energy that you are surrounded with. The outcome of the relationship is the Two of Pentacles. Again, this talks about juggling with two options, two people. Okay, so there's a lot of cards here which talk about options, or maybe a person dealing with two different people. You have Two of Pentacles here, you have Two of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles also means sharing with two different people. Now let's go ahead and quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular month. So the first one that I see is the Five of Swords. This person is willing to fight for this relationship even when maybe you have left or you don't have hopes about this relationship. Okay, the next card that I see is the Four of Wands. This person is willing to fight because they want to eventually build a family life with you, and they will at one point in time rush in and tell you that they have feelings for you with the Knight of Wands. But the small disclaimer that I want to give about the Knight of Wands is this person would want to have a good time with you. So they are not looking for an emotional connection with you. They're looking forward to more of just having a good time. The physical pleasures of the relationship is what they are looking forward to. Now let's quickly go ahead and take one card here to see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see here is pink tourmaline. The crystal message is, do you treat yourself well? What kind of self-talk is going on in your mind? Pay attention to how well you treat yourself. Be aware of your inner chatter and changes towards love. Treat yourself the way you would want to be treated. It is time to awaken your consciousness and focus on love for yourself. Now, the message here from Archangel Shimol, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. That's all I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe wherever you are in this world and love yourself first.